Morning. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, June 9th. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. We are definitely in the time of year here in Charleston where you better be hydrating and sunscreening. But we had kind of a weird stormy, not stormy, nice, not nice weekend. The Gaul family had the treat of having our little guy got to see his baba, my mother-in-law Barb, for a few days. So I know they had a good time together. Barb, these Swedish meatballs that you left us with were delicious last night. Thank you. Grade A batch. And then I got to pick up my mom from the airport. She's going to be with Gabriel this week. So kid's going to be a little spoiled. He's got 10 days of grandma time between the two of them. So feeling very blessed in the Gaul household to have the support of those two down here with us. It was nice. Last week, we were hoping to get some kind of clarity on what's going on in the job market, and naturally didn't receive a whole lot. So coming off of 2 weeks ago, we had the unemployment insurance claims were the highest they've been in nearly 4 years. Was thinking that the non-farm payrolls numbers and jolt numbers would kind of sync up with that. They didn't. So the unemployment was unchanged. Thinking it might be higher given the unemployment insurance claims, but that didn't hold true. And then the non-farm payroll numbers were higher than expected. There was one. The Department of Labor kind of makes a seasonal adjustment for unemployment insurance claims, just given we're getting into this time of year. So if you took the unadjusted number, it actually fell, so it lined up with this data better, but it's all kind of a little murky as to what's going on in the job market. But it's just something, as we continue to get more data, we'll keep an eye on and continue to consider. With all that coming out last week, S&P was slightly higher. The whole the whole yield curve drifted 8 basis points higher. Kind of seems like it was almost a no news is good news kind of situation last week as far as the market was concerned. This week we're going to keep an eye on, we get CPI and PPI numbers. Obviously we're with the Fed's dual mandate there of unemployment and inflation. We'll get 2 inflation numbers this week that are hopefully good. That inflation is still relatively low, but time will tell. Questions, comments, concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out, and hope everyone has a great week.